Welcome, wonderful individuals, to this course called, The Psychology of Humor, Practical Tips and Techniques for Making Jokes, hosted by yours truly, Rudy the Cat. In this meowtastic course, we'll dive into the enchanting world of humor, exploring its essence, the mysterious reasons behind hearty laughter, and the delightful art of crafting your own jokes. What is humor, you ask? Well, it's that magical force that turns a regular day into a delightful escapade. It's the unexpected twist in a story, the clever play on words, and the universal language that connects us all. Join me as we unravel the secrets of what makes things funny and why we can't resist a good chuckle. Ever wondered why people laugh? It's not just a spontaneous burst of sound, it's a complex interplay of emotions, cognition, and social dynamics. We'll embark on a journey to understand the psychology behind laughter, from the release of those feel-good endorphins to the social bonding that occurs when we share a moment of mirth. But here's the real catnip of the course, learning how to make jokes. Crafting humor is an art, and I'm here to guide you through the process. From the timing of your punchlines to the playful use of language, we'll explore the techniques that turn everyday situations into comedy gold. So, if you're ready to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary, to embrace the joy of laughter, and to become the life of the party with your newfound joke-telling prowess, then come along on this perfectly entertaining journey. No need for a serious face, let's replace it with a smile. Together, we'll meow rage through the world of humor, discovering the reasons we laugh, and mastering the craft of creating jokes that leave everyone in stitches. Are you ready to embark on this laughter-infused adventure? I know I am. Let's dive into the delightful world of humor, one giggle at a time.